How to use Hevy Workout App. Want to track your workouts and see progress over time? The Hevy Workout App makes it simple. Let's walk through how to use it step by step. So first, download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Create a free account, set up your profile, and choose your preferred units, pounds, or kilograms. Now, from here, you can go ahead and head over into the workout section to be able to add your new routine by clicking on new routine and add exercise. So you can add exercises on your routine by equipment specific or by muscle specific workouts. So go ahead and create that. You can also explore your account info by clicking on your account info at the bottom right. You can go ahead and set this duration, volume, and reps. Now you can follow other users on the platform under the home section at the bottom left of your screen. So once you click that, you can go ahead and view your feeds, which is filled with individuals you follow on the Hevy Workout app. Once you head back to your workout tab, you can go ahead and explore routines which you can use for your next exercise. And that is how to use the Hevy Workout app.